hello. Let's have a look, see if this fella's alright. Alright, it's Monday morning, it's damp, it's miserable, look at it. Ooh. The faff has started. Let's get these gloves on. Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome to a damp and miserable Monday morning. A Monday morning commute. Look at this, rats. Come on then, pulling out. He's out. Other screen bags in go. So, gained a couple of extra subs this weekend. If you have subbed, sometimes it lets me know, sometimes it doesn't. But if you have subbed and you want to, I'll give you a mention. Put a comment in the comments box below and tell me who you are, and I'll give you a mention. We'll get some bits of range on it, and yeah, I'll give you a shout. So the final episode of Game of Thrones was on last night. Oh my goodness, and it looks like the spoilers were right. These people said who's going to end up as the king or queen of Westeros, and oh my god, the nerd fans were raging, ready, which is fair enough. The normies, as they call us, I think some of them will be alright, but I think the majority of people are a bit cheesed off, to be honest. There's a petition going at the minute, and they've got it up to, it probably is plus 1 million at the minute, to redo Game of Thrones Season 8. But realistically, they're never going to do that. They might redo the whole series again a few years down the line, like they're talking about potentially doing the original Star Wars. Yeah, that could be happening, and I wouldn't blame them, especially after that fan redid Scene 38 with Obi-Wan Kenobi and Darth Vader. I think that just shows you what can be done with today's technology, and they're just, and I bet you, they're guaranteed they'll be like, yeah, especially Disney, they'll be like, yeah, let's do this. Let's redo it. Let's redo it. Let's recast. They better recast some decent people though. You don't want some screamers playing Han Solo and Luke Skywalker and that. They probably will make them lesbians and homosexuals and whatever and blah blah blah. Which is nothing wrong with doing that, but I don't think that's what George Lucas envisaged. Bloody microphone's moving around in the helmet again. Steaming up. Don't breathe. That way you won't steam up. This weather's crazy. Look at it. Proper miserable. Oh my god, check it out. At least he ain't on the road. I've seen those mobility scooters before on the bleeding road. Oh, I'm getting smashed here by the rain's falling off the trees. Ah! Oh yeah, nice one. Fucking lorry in front. Excuse my French. Brilliant. Bugger off, mate. Let's drop back a bit. Oh dear. Oh, thank God for that, he's turning. Oh, come on, look. Just go. Jesus. Thought I'd leave a bit earlier this morning as well. To miss the traffic. What's happened? Oh no. Anything? It's even busier. Monday mornings for you. Oh, let's clear that visor off. Do you know what? I think this is on the inside of my visor. I think this is let water in on the inside. What? Tell you what, let's cut to this afternoon because this is pumped. Oh, hello. Oh. Let's have a look, see if this fella's alright. Oh. You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright, thanks, yeah.
What you got there?
Yeah, I was, well, I had problems with it.
Yeah.
And these two-strokes are very finicky.
Oh, two-stroke?
Two-stroke.
Oh, yeah, get in there.
Mixture.
Yeah.
And I'm just out trying it and trying to get the mixture right.
Ah, right.
I did about 8 miles.
Yeah.
And it packed up.
All right.
And when I took the plugs out, they were really sooty, like, you know.
Yeah.
So I adjusted it down. So I've just done about another 8 miles.
Yeah.
And I thought I'd stop here.
Have a look.
It's a good place because if I can't get it going again,
Yeah.
breakdown knows exactly where I am.
Yeah. Is that a Greaves?
Greaves, yeah.
Oh, right.
Yeah, 250 twin.
How old's that?
64, that is.
Oh, right.
64, yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's not old to what I ride.
Yeah.
No, I'm in a vintage motorbike club.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. Oh, my bike could be like that soon. 93.
Well, that's nearly club eligible.
Yeah.
25 years it got to be for club eligible.
Oh, God, yeah. What's that? 93. What's that? 17. Oh, yeah, that is then.
93.
Yeah.
2003, 2013. Yeah.
I'm probably eligible for that, aren't I?
Yeah, club eligible, you wouldn't believe it.
Bloody hell.
Yeah, yeah.
Go, get in there. Oh, well, nice to see you.
Yeah.
Yeah, glad you're alright.
Can't beat these things for reliability though.
Yeah, touch wood, yeah.
But
that's why I went back for another Honda.
Honda is the bee's knees.
Yeah.
As far as I'm concerned, their machines are perfect. Really, really good.
Yeah.
Lovely condition, isn't it?
It's just the bodywork. I think it's had a couple of drops. When you get up close, the bodywork's been resprayed. There's a couple of bits and that on it.
Respect it a bit.
Yeah. Considering how old she is. Yeah. But
yeah, but it looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh well.
I
better get home to the wife.
For a ride?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going home now. Yeah, gotta go and cook the dinner. I'll see you later. Yeah, you too. Yeah, no probs. What a difference a couple of hours make. Look at this. Uber sunshine now. Look at that. So that motorbike back there then, that was a Jeeves. It's pretty old, wasn't it? So, I'm going to end that one there. If you like the content, you like the videos, give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, smash that subscription button. If you want to get notifications every time I upload a video, then smash that notification bell. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out. Who's he calling a wanker?